Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you the performance of Google Pixel 7 camera in macro mode. Okay, as you know, it has only two cameras. One is normally primary camera and another one is dedicated ultra wide camera. So that means it has no macro camera or something special for macro. Okay, still it is the best for macro. Why it is, I'll show you in few steps. As it has no dedicated macro camera, it has also not any professional mode. As you know, in Pixel devices we don't get any pro modes in which we can adjust the focus or we can use the manual focus. So now what? We have to use autofocus lock. Autofocus lock is like a simple feature which helps you to keep the focus lock on that particular object. Okay, so like you are in a shaky movement or shaky position in which your camera is totally in shake or movement. In that case, you just need to use that autofocus lock and you can just lock the focus totally and it will not be out of focus again and again. Okay, so this is basically a autofocus feature. In this way we can use the macro mode in Google Pixel 7. So as you can check, I am in like camera mode in Google Pixel 7. So let me show you the device. It's not Pro or A, it's normally 7. Okay, so what I will do, I will just try to focus this card with my mobile. Okay, so first of all in 1x I'll just take a photo in 1x. Okay, then I will zoom 2x and I will show you how it performs. Then I will try to go more close. Okay, and I will show you that what kind of details I am getting here. So as you can check, this is the absolute details I am getting in this device. Okay, so let me try on different objects also. So if I zoom highest, like that means if I zoom here 8x, what result I will get? So here I am in the distance between 6 to 7 centimeter and I am getting this. If I go more close, it will be out of focus. So normal distance from the object from the camera should be between 6 to 7 centimeter, not more than that. And check how it's coming. Okay, so this is the rim, actual rim. Okay, so you can check. So let me focus on different objects also. So as you can check, right now I am trying to focus this object, but I am not getting any proper focus. So what I will do, I will try to zoom at least 2x and I will switch to, after switching to 2x, as you can check how much focus and blur I am getting here. If I zoom more, if I zoom here 3.5x, you can check the background. It's like professional macro lens, and this is why I always prefer Pixel 7 and Pixel devices for macro photography, because if you have no macro lens with you, you can still take good shots with these devices. So I'm like, what should I say, totally happy with the outputs, and I will show you more outputs if I can. Just check this, the output, it's totally a blessing for a photographer.